Hello guys, welcome to my channel. How to fix Windows update. Windows cannot install require files. Error code, this error code, okay. Then this is the Windows update is problem. Then step by step follow to solve this problem, okay. Then go to the first step for troubleshoot the Windows update. Click to search bar, search the troubleshoot settings. Click to open. Click to the other troubleshoot. Click to the Windows update run. Then wait for the few minutes for the detected the problems. Your Windows update any problem showing to this is automatically detected. This is the check the Windows update issues. Okay, this is a simple problem. You will go back the second step for get open the CMD. This command copy to paste the CMD. Okay, I will provide this command for the this video description. We copy to paste. I go to the search bar, it is CMD or CMD for run as administrator. Yes. You click to the control plus V to change the change the or yeah, e- click to enter operation is successful. Okay, click to close. Then third step for run admin take automatic and the Windows update. Okay, click to the search bar, search the services, click to open to scroll down for see the Windows update. You will set it to right click to properties, click to the change automatic and services status bar it is the start. You will click to after apply, click to OK. Then finally you will go to the settings, click to the Windows update. You will click to the read some updates to get download this update. Okay. Then anyone doubt to pin the comment and thank you for watching.